Imagine a massive warehouse where fleets of robots, autonomous mobile units, humanoids, and smart sensors all work together with humans in perfect sync. Now, imagine simulating all of that before touching a single piece of hardware. This isn't a sci-fi dream. This is industrial automation, supercharged by NVIDIA's Omniverse. With NVIDIA's new Mega Omniverse blueprint, you can now simulate and test entire fleets of AI-powered robots inside detailed industrial digital twins. From warehouses to factory floors, you can virtually test how robots interact with environments, humans, and each other before you ever deploy them in the real world. Here's how it works. You're dropped into a fully rendered 3D warehouse. Racks, boxes, robots, all powered by NVIDIA Omniverse, OpenUSD, and Isaac ROS. You configure your robot fleet. Choose between smart robots with obstacle detection or simple path followers. Select camera views and render types. Draw out custom paths inside the virtual environment. Once you hit Run Simulation, the system kicks into action. Simulated AMR brains begin navigating using real-time sensor data. Physics-based world simulators mimic real-world motion. RGB cameras, LiDAR, IMUs, and more stream sensor data to the robots, enabling them to make decisions on the fly. It's an industrial-scale rehearsal without risk, downtime, or broken machines. This kind of large-scale simulation isn't just convenient. It's a game-changer for the future of manufacturing, logistics, and smart cities. Enterprises can now build smarter fleets faster, cheaper, and with fewer surprises because every move is pre-tested in a high-fidelity digital twin. So the next time you walk through a warehouse filled with autonomous machines, just remember, they might have trained, learned, and evolved entirely inside a simulation. If this blew your mind, give the video a like, share it with someone building the future of robotics, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of AI, digital twins, and automation. Drop a comment below. What would you simulate first in the Omniverse? The future isn't waiting. It's already being tested.